Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about what is white labeling and private labeling and what the benefits of white and private labeling. Before we start the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon. You never miss any update from our channel. White labeling versus private label products. Small business trends. White label versus private label. Product what's difference. Recent research shows SMBs need to be aware to know white label and private label products perform in the marketplace. Small business trends connected some experts to find out the differences between them. White label and private label. Brian Cowan, the CEO of Grow Strategic Consulting in New York, he explained it is where the distinction between white label and private label are subtle. He writes that's why the terms are so easily confused. Market matters. White label versus private label. Note that private labeling is different from white labeling. Private labeling is when a product line is sold exclusively through one retailer like Amazon Basics. White labeling is the process of selling a generic product to multiple retailers. Brand and can price the product for their target market. Benefits of private label. The private label process is useful for a variety of reasons. One, it allows companies strong its manufacturing capability to maximize their profits. They don't need to worry about heavy marketing and retailing when they can sell products to companies that are skilled in these areas. What is private label brand? A private label brand is business devoted creating products that third parties can sell as their own. They don't market, brand, or retail any their own goods. They are focused solely on manufacturing products. And hope you like our videos. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button. You never miss any updates from our channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video tomorrow same time on this channel. Thanks for watching.